What's going on, guys? My name is Matt. My company's the DeRosa Group, and you're going to get to follow us along in this series called Day in the Life to our apartment complexes in North Carolina and Kentucky. You're going to get to see what we see and learn what we learn. Well, let's get going.
The second trip here to Douglas Square, man. What do you think?
Here's three things that I think have attributed to this property's turn. Pardon my Francais, but they give.
Oh yeah, big time.
They gave us that we have right here their evaluation of this deal.
First off, what is this? When do tenants get this bad?
Finished up a batch of renovates yesterday. Hoping these tree branches don't fall down on us.
My total take was, yeah. That's what I think. What do you think?
I looked at it and I'm like, oh God, I need to shower after this.
And so we had an incident with one of the maintenance guys where I didn't tell you this yet. I put the three of us in a room and I said, guys, we have to talk about this team member because he's hurting us.
Smash that subscribe button and hit the like if you like what we do or if you like apartment buildings in general. Now let's get going.